Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video. Those who are new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. So today I'm going to make this brinjal along with this smoked pork. So this I'm going to make. I'm so happy that I got smoked pork today. After a long time I'm going to have. I got this from Sikandarpur. Actually, Shinmila, she went there and she bought it for me. If you don't know Shinmila, who is Shinmila, then you can check out my video, Momo video. She is the Momo legend girl. She knows how to make varieties of Momo. So she bought it for me, this smoked pork and also king chili. But today I'm going to make smoked pork and brinjal. So guys, come, let's get started. Green chilies, ginger and tomatoes, will chop it. Then just pull it like this. Okay, I'll start my cooking. First add some salt. And add all this green chilies, ginger and tomato. We'll bring it to a boil. By the time, let me cut the smoked pork. Oh, chamra bishi hard as it. I think better to cut like this. Yeah. গরম পানি দিয়ে বেশি সক করে দিয়েছি মই। Well guys, it's boiling nicely and now we will add the pork. So we will boil the smoked pork at least like 20 minutes. So cover karo and you can do some other work. Well, I've been cooking like 20 minutes. Now we will add this brinjal. Just cut in between and bando. If it's too big, then you can cut it in 4 pieces. Yeah, that's done. Now I will add some salt, just thoda sa, and cover it, and we'll just cook like 7 to 8 minutes because the brinjal will cook very easily. After 2-3 minutes you can stir it, gently stir it, otherwise all the brinjal it will break. Brinjal. I usually eat this type of recipe at my auntie's place. She is Lotha, so I think we can call it Lotha recipe. So we need 2-3 more minutes to cook. Cover it and wait for some time. Yeah. The water is going to dry, so I'm adding this garlic. Garlic dalo. Stir a little bit and cover it, and our sabji is done. Okay guys, now it's time to eat. It's so good. Brinjal and smoked pork also combination में इतना अच्छा है इसका. Like I said before, like I eat this recipe at my auntie's place. My auntie, she is Lotha. Lotha tribe. ये वाला, and then खुंदी मच्छियाँ. Oh my god. Kundi matcha is top. बहुत tasty है. Thank you so much Shinbila for bringing me smoked pork. Tomorrow I'm going to bring it in office also, so we'll share it. We'll eat together. Today I didn't make any boil, just this smoked pork and brinjal recipe. Then this is just pickle, mango pickle, and this is tin fish fry. मांसो ला टेस्ट सब ब्रिंजल ला अंदर दे फाल बन जैसे तो ब्रिंजल मन टेस्ट आता है. Yeah, fats है. Okay, well guys, today I'm not going to finish it all. Maybe next time. ठीक है, मैं अच्छे से enjoy करूँगी और I'm going to wind up here. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really like watching this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and also give me your opinion, your suggestion, and also share it with your friends, family members, and to everyone, and also hit the notification icon so you'll get the notification whenever I'm uploading a new video. So guys, once again, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.